Hello friends, welcome once again in next session of programming and that is in C. Today once again I'm going to talk about the same hello world but using some different technique. So let's see how. So let's open this code blocks and here we can see same program as I showed you last time in previous video and same thing I have written here, but I'm going to add one thing more here, header file, include conio.h. So it is also a header file. This conio, it is also a header file. Conio stands for console input output header file. It contains some other library functions as well as uh, it carry out some works related to console like maybe the inputs, maybe the outputs, maybe with echo, maybe without echo. It is handled by this conio.h. Now what is the function of conio.h in this? And here we can see I have used getch. Getch it has two parts. First is a get, it means just get something there. Cs means character, means get one character from the user. Now this getch, it gets one character. It gets one character from user. Now uh, you may think what is the function of getch, and without using getch we can also run the program. You are right. Actually this getch, it is optional here. If you put, it's okay. If you don't put, it's okay. The program will be 100% right. Now putting this getch means if you want to hold your output for some time until unless you press particular character, maybe enter, maybe esc, or maybe any other key on your keyboard, then as you press any that, then it releases that output and it takes back to programming screen. So getch is used to hold the output of our program. For that we have used this one. But once again I want to remind you that actually it is not mandatory or that compulsory you must put in your program. If you write it, it's okay. If you don't write, it's okay. This gets, it exists inside this conio.h. I want to say once again, this getch function, it is also a function we can see here, and this function, it exists inside this conio.h header file. So without using this conio.h we cannot use this getch.h getch function. So there must be conio.h to use this getch function. Now let's run it and let's see how it looks like. I'm going to compile it. I'm going to build and run. Now see here, hello world, uh, it is being printed on screen, and just this cursor is blinking. Cursor is blinking means actually it is holding the output hello world until unless I press particular key or the character on my keyboard, then it takes back to the programming screen. Suppose if I am pressing enter, we can see here after pressing enter, it says there press any key to continue. It means it is going to terminate and taking back me to programming screen like this. So guess means just the function which exists inside the conio.h and it holds the output, and it is not mandatory that you must put in your program. If you put, it's okay. If you don't put, it's okay. It is 100% right. So this is how you can also write same program using getch or without getch. It is okay. I think you understood what I mean to say here in this program. uh, Thank you for your time. Once again, in next video I'll be coming with something new in C. Till then, wait, take care, stay blessed.